Unlike other states, MIDC is a single nodal IPA investment promotion agency which has specialized in like almost all the infrastructure, be it like waste management, water supply. Now we are also going for electric supply. And we have almost, we recreate, I would say, SIPCAT or APIDC every year. So suppose some of the states have like 30,000, 40,000 acres in total, but we have almost 2.5 lakh acres and almost we aggregate another 60,000 acres. So this is a testimony of what exactly we have done in past 2 years, and these are like DPIT data, no fudging up data. So only through MOU we have mobilized close to 2 lakh crore, and other than I would say MOU, the regular investment with MIDC is regularly allotting for the past, I would say 2.5 years is like almost close to 1.65 lakh crores. If you go into the figure of like FDI between September 2018 to like September 2021, it's 2.7 lakh crore. So already we have crossed 5 lakh crore, which is otherwise to be in a 5 years period. So this is a testimony of the trust which the state has. And these are the 4 reforms which like Honorable Chief Minister has envisioned. Like one is a plug and play which we are going at in Nagpur for aerospace and defense, where you give them a customized infra. They come and plug and play. Only the rentals are also like placed at around like 7 to 12 rupees per square feet. And second is the Mahaparvana, it's an LOI within 48 hours, any investment for 50 crore and above, that is also with them. Mahajobs is the first, I would say, in a government employment exchange for the private entrepreneurs. So we will be recruiting, we will be doing all the due diligence through a professional HR firm, and we will be paying them. Suppose someone is recruiting like 100 people, I will be paying for the company to recruit that particular guy. This is more like an incentive which we are doing, and almost close to 40,000 jobs have been advertised, and it's a process of recruitment. Fourth is like investor program, which we also have a like country desk and also relationship manager for each and every investment of like 50 crores and above. So where we are like our preparedness, you can see like for the past 3 years, we spent around close to 10,000 crore, roughly almost 5.5 crore on like land aggregation, and similarly around 5.5 crore on in infrastructure. In another 3 years plan, almost we'll be spending around 10,000 crore. Out of that, 3,500 is only for environmental infra upgradation. We'll be going up almost up to like almost 450 MLD handling capacity of the wastewater, which is from almost 250 to 450 MLD. So which will also include a bulk drug park. And this is again excluding the land aggregation. Some of the key infrastructure projects for your show, I think most of the, we have like a lot of MSME players, and where are the projects we are looking at. And of course, you can also see where MIDC is investing. This I won't like, because you have done MSRDC, CITCO, all that, so I won't speak much on that. Aurangabad is the first, I would say, the greenfield smart city ever built in the entire country, spreading across 40 square kilometers. And it is like particularly the Shendra node has become with almost 53 companies. You have a player from Germany, South Korea, you have a player from, I would say, UK, and also now a Russian company is putting up. A lot of companies are coming, and now the Bedigin node is picking up, where the MIDC and the AURIC is planning for one is a medical devices park, another is a food processing park. These are the key industrial clusters, and there are the last, I would say, the footnote where we are like going for major acquisition, almost close to 60,000 acres. You can name a place like Tokral and Dapcheri, that is in like it's in like Tarapur, Mahad, and also Kalapur. We have 1,000 acres for a logistic. You have an additional Taloja. We already disposed almost close to 500 crores for almost 400 acres. Then you also have a major aggregation at Digi, 15,000 acres. We already taken a possession. Places like Dodamar Gadali, it's like close to, I would say, Banda, Chandate Banda. So we are like looking at players from Goa, particularly biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies. There is also park is ready. And we have a like Chakan phase pay for logistic park, Chalegaon 4 for an electronic city where 4,000 acres of land is being aggregated. Talegaon again for an electronic cluster. IFB has already landed, another place is already there. And you also have an additional Kandala, which is again close to like Satara, in between Pune and Satara. You have a Dindori, which has like a, I would say, a biotechnology capital. Reliance has already taken land almost 160 acres, investing around close to 3,000 crore for entire vertical of both human and animal vaccine. So you also have places like Jamner, Malegaon, additional Supa, Sinner. So you see like almost from like Gondia, Bandara to almost to Doda, I would say Dodamar, Gadali, Sindhudur. We are living like we are literally like we are considering each and every district, and almost all the sectors have been covered. This, I would say, the logistic with NHI and also Government of India and with JNPT. So we are also looking at logistic parks, multimodal logistic park, one in Nagpur, another in, of course, close to Jalna Dry Port, and third is in Nasik, fourth will be in Sangli, and fifth is in Pune. Of course, Bhiwandi and Panvel, they are already developed as that. Bhiwandi, MIDC is being appointed as an entire planning authority so that like haphazard development won't happen. These are the major aggregations, and you can also, we are just, these are all in the final stages. Almost most of the places we have done. Amravati, we are going for a major mega textile park. Arig, already I have mentioned. Chakan, Talegaon 4 will be an electronic city based on more DCR. Digi will be going to be a high-tech city, which almost in the first phase, 15,000 acres has been already taken possession. These are the some of the areas where I would say that it's a farm. This is the Digi Port Industrial Area, which is again a joint venture project between Government of India and MIDC. So this is again a 15,000 acres, which almost is going to be all the utilities and more on a similar, it's a much higher scale than Arik. It will be like, I would say like maybe in another 10-15 years, the entire manufacturing of the country should happen in Raigad. This is what this city is going to make. This is another pharma city which is going to come up close to a place called Salav, which is just 15 kilometers from Roga. It's already an established drug and chemical cluster. So there, we are also looking at Government of India incentive, but even that MIDC is going ahead. That final aggregation is on. Here, MIDC is also looking at utilities like steam, end of the pipe. I would say the multiple evaporator and also the hazardous waste. It's more like a plug and play for all of them. Even we are also looking at both warehousing in air conditioned and non-air conditioned way. That way, more turnkey projects are also there for the investors to play. This medical devices park, one is already proposed in Aurangabad, and another is also we are proposing one in Dodamar. An electronic manufacturing cluster, Ranjangaon, is already land, and IFB has been given land almost 50 acres, and they are also investing close to 2,000 acres. We are going to make all the consumer electronics, including refrigerators. Defense and aerospace cluster, Nagpur being we have a lot of major players with BDL, BEL, and also a lot of ordnance factories. So Nagpur is being developed as an aerospace cluster. Here we are also looking at a plug and play. And we have done almost, the estimate is done. We are also going for a massive expansion of ETP there in Nagpur. Thank you so much.